Hello, I'm Elisa.
Hi, I'm Masuk.
Hi, I'm Milena.
Hello everyone, my name is Aiste.
Hello everyone, my name is Rakib.
Hi everyone, I'm Tituria.
Hello, my name is Michael.
Hello everyone, my name is Dina. I really like it, the project and everything. The project is related to my field. I'm doing a PhD from Debrecen University, and I really like that it's related to my project. And today we are really happy because today we're planting the ginkgo biloba, that tree, and that is my near future project. And I was really happy and I really enjoyed, especially thanks to the organization, the teachers and everything. The professor is really great. I earned so much knowledge, and thank you so much for everything.
In this Friday project, I have learned a lot about so many aspects about how we can care about our earth from the air pollutions and how we can collect the air pollutant. And especially I have learned some teaching methodology, how we're gonna throw out for the next upcoming projects. So I really love these projects, and I really wish this project should go on for the future success.
I just participated at this amazing project on the impact on pollution caused by particles, and I have really enjoyed the program. I had the possibility to learn a lot of new stuff that I didn't know and to explore more about what I did already know. I especially like the part about activism. It really shows you the importance of speaking your voice about certain topics, especially the ones you care about or you have personal experience with. I also really enjoyed the part about designing a project, because it makes you really see what concretely you can do and you cannot do. And so I really liked my experience in Varaždin. The project is really well organized for the short amount of time that there is. And the city is beautiful, so it's also a really nice location. And yeah, I hope I can take part in more projects like this one.
Here in Pučko with Otvoreno učilište, in the last couple of days, we had the topic of air pollution. During this 3 days, we had a couple of workshops regarding about design thinking, and as well how to catch air particles in an experiment, which we then took the data and elaborated upon how effective, cheaper methods are, in regards as they are much more available. So it was an interesting couple of days, and I can definitely say that some new perspectives were definitely gained.
This project was so beautiful and I think perfect, but short. And I can study so much things, information, and I can apply this information, creating a project, something that I can do with kids. And I like it so much. I can tell with other person and know another point of view, and I'm grateful to be here with these people, with these beautiful people.
I like the motto of the project, Friday, and the learning methods, like I spent around 3 days here. It was a very short time project, but the way the project was structured and designed, I was really amazed about the project, and I really learned a lot from the project. And as I'm aware, like there will be another part in Budapest. As I'm from Hungary, like I'm really looking forward to join.
So talking about the Friday project, I'm really happy that I had this chance to meet these all beautiful and nice and really kind people, and I had opportunity to discuss really important global questions about the air pollution, and we can share our experiences and our culture in our countries. What I learned in this project, so I'm really happy that we did a lot of research about the consequences and causes in air pollution, and I can check the things and how can I adapt them in my reality life and what I can do to make this world better.
I'm so glad that I've participated in this project because it was a wonderful experience and it gave me the opportunity to put into practice a lot. I had the opportunity to work on my own project and to know so many people. And the best part of this project is that we can have the practice part that in Italy sometimes it is missed. So I'm very glad I participated.